7 super easy and mouth-watering soy recipes. Soybean is considered one of the least expensive sources of dietary protein. The nutritional profile of soybean is almost similar to that of animal protein and is considered as a good substituent for animal protein. It is quite popular amongst vegetarians. Soybean is one of the popular legumes in Asian kitchens. People consume soybean in many ways, including soy curry, soy chunks, soy flour, soy milk, etc. So let us proceed to know about some healthy and tasty dishes prepared with healthy and nutritious soybeans. Healthy soy recipes. Here is a list of super easy dishes you can prepare with soy. Masala soy chunks. This dish can be prepared with soy chunks and adding your choice spices. You can eat it as snacks or adding other snacks with it and create a perfect spicy fusion, or you can also pair it with roti or rice. Soy curry. This is the common and people's favorite Punjabi dish. In this curry, you can also add some vegetables to give own customized taste. Soy Manchurian. You must have listened about Chinese Manchurian, non-veg Manchurian, and here we have soy Manchurian. You can prepare soy Manchurian in the same way as that of common Manchurian with ginger, garlic, onion, cabbage gravy to make this Indo-Chinese dish. Soy oats pancake. Pancake is an easy-to-prepare sweet dish. But what if along with the taste, this dish offers healthy nutrients too? Yes. You can prepare pancakes with soy and oats. You can also add dry fruits in this. Soy pulaf. Pulaf prepared with rice is common in Indian kitchens. Be it elders or youngsters, everyone loves tasty masala pulaf with added vegetables. You can also add soy chunks to give it an additional taste. Click here to read the complete guide for cultivation of soybean. Soy baby corn fry. Soy paired with anything gives a yummy delicious taste. And when we pair soy with baby corn, it becomes even tastier. You can also add capsicum in this dish.